Alright, I'm making my homemade barbecue sauce. This is 4 tablespoons of white onion and 1 tablespoon of garlic. So I'm going to let this kind of simmer for a little bit. And I put a tablespoon of oil. So we'll wait and soften these up for about 3 minutes, and then I'll add my other ingredients. Alright, here's the ingredients that I add. Just regular ketchup, white vinegar, yellow mustard, Worcestershire, chili powder, paprika, and then I also add a tablespoon of sugar. Alright, here is 2 cups of ketchup. Just add that to my onions. And then I'll add 2 cups of water and a half a cup of white vinegar. 1 tablespoon of mushroom. I kind of do a rounded spoon. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire and 1 teaspoon each of chili powder and paprika. Let's add that in. Then I'm just gonna stir it. And I'm gonna bring it to a boil and let the barbecue sauce kind of bring it up to a high boil for a minute, and then I'll drop it down to a simmer for about 45 minutes, and then it's ready for the grill. We're gonna use this tonight on chicken. Alright, so I've brought it up to boil and it's almost been a minute. It's kind of a nice rolling boil, and then I'll turn it down to probably a low heat, and I'll leave it there and stir occasionally for the next 30 to 45 minutes. Thanks for watching.
Smells so good.